Good morning, welcome to a morning review on Thursday the 20th of November. This is Kim Watson speaking for Easy Trader. Okay, looking at the pound dollar first, and as you see, really at the moment we're in what appears to be a free fall position, selling off mostly in the last hour or so. Actually, throughout the Asian session it stayed pretty flat. It's just broken the lows here around the daily pivot and sold, moved below the 50. Not a lot of support sitting below us at the moment, so hence why it's looking like it could be in free fall. Support areas below, well, certainly the daily S1 could be a point. There is a midpoint before that at 56.36, which also may just hold price. But certainly a strong sell-off at the moment. Really looking at retracements for short positions at the moment, as it looks short, looks weak. But long side, would I be interested in long only above? There's a really across the tops of these areas here, apart from the new spike. If it were to start moving above this sort of this trend line that's running here, but at the moment has to be looking for the shorts, but only on retraces for me. Okay, looking at the euro dollar, and what we've seen is really a much more consolidated position. Hasn't had the same sell-off as the pound has, or many other currencies. There's a number of currencies that have weakened this morning, or through the Asian session, and sold off quite strongly. Yesterday we saw the 4-hourly come back into the trend line that I'd drawn previously. Let's just pop that on there, so it just there's a long-term trend. Actually, if I pop this onto a daily for a moment, you see there's a long-term trend that was running across the highs here. It's just come back into that and reacted. So that's where we're sitting at the moment. Let's just bring that back to a 4-hourly. Yeah. It really at the moment it's not quite a finished bar, but if this bar closes anywhere near where it is, breaks below that sort of level, maybe looking for the selling side. So it looks to sell at those little levels. Let's just bring it down to the 60-minute time frame here. It's perhaps a little bit clearer. It has got some. It's just been sitting into some support on the low prior lows here on the analyses here. You can see a bit clearer. That in itself may be a weak point, and a break of that sort of level may also just push it down. One thing to watch out for in the euro, it does have its daily pivot above untouched, so that may just drag price up to 125.55. So at the moment, looking weak. Break of these lows, the lower trend line also may just see us continue to the downside, and I'll be looking for shorts. A break of the upside, well, the pivot's quite close there. We've got the potential for pushing up, perhaps. Although I'm wary of this price action, very choppy, quite difficult to read at the moment. Okay, news-wise today, what's going to be in the news now? Thursday, well, we've not got a significant amount of news coming out today, so really we're left. Yeah, let me see. He says, sorry, just checking. There is the CPI figure coming out later in the US. Sorry. Okay, we've got the flash German figures to come out. And French figures coming at 8 and 8:30 respectively. It's the flash manufacturing and services figures. They may create a bit of volatility on the euro this morning, and later on we got the US CPI figure. Now with inflation now becoming a bit more in focus, that actually may take on the possibility of a bigger move on that news, so be watching that. Aside of that, that's us for today. Hope you have a great one. Bye for now.